So what's going on, guys? This is DIY Dan with his wife Danny. So we are the Double D's making a quick easy dinner on the Blackstone. This video's meal is going to be chicken fajita grilled burritos. So let's get to it. So in order to make this meal, we added 1 red bell pepper, 2 yellow bell peppers, and 1 pound of boneless chicken thighs. We sliced each one of those items up and then just put it on a platter, and we seasoned it with Kinder's wood fire garlic seasoning. Then it was time to fire up the Blackstone. Once cleaning it and getting it hot, we went ahead and threw some cooking oil on it, spread that around, and then went ahead and dumped all the contents that we had cut up onto the Blackstone. Now, being as though I wanted a good sear on the bell peppers and onions, I threw all these on at the same time. If you don't like such a sear on those, you could throw the chicken on a little bit and cook that, and then go ahead and throw the bell peppers and onions on a little later. Now, one thing we've been thinking about investing in is a upgraded flip down hood. But since we don't have that yet, all we've got is the basting cover, and since we had too much food on there to fit it all under there at the same time, I covered half of the food with that basting cover to help get the center of that chicken up to temp, and then concentrated on getting a good sear on the half that I didn't have covered. Once I had a good sear on that mix, then I took the cover, put it on the other half, and concentrated on the sear on the half that was covered. I cooked that mix for probably 10 to 15 minutes on the Blackstone back and forth, then went ahead and added the Ortega fajita sauce and left it on there for probably another 2 to 3 minutes before we pulled it off of the Blackstone. Then we get into my favorite part of actually doing these on the Blackstone, and that is grilling these burritos. So right here, we're just getting some tortillas and putting some cheese on them and some of the mix, and then folding them up and throwing them back on the Blackstone. So usually it only takes about 30 seconds to a minute to do each side of these burritos. My wife tends to like them a little less grilled. I like them a little more grilled. When putting these on the flat top, I always put the folded side down first, because as it cooks that side, it helps hold it together when you go to flip it. And that's about all there is to it, guys. Now, this is about the 3rd time that we've cooked these chicken fajita burritos that are grilled since we've had this Blackstone in a short amount of time, because we like them so much. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video on how to cook a quick, inexpensive meal on the Blackstone. If so, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. The whole concept of my channel is to give you guys the most information in the least amount of time as possible so I don't waste your time. And I hope to see you next time. Have a good one. Later.